Problem 44. It gives us a rectangle on a coordinate grid and it says which of these is a line of symmetry for this rectangle. Well, let's look at it. We've got to remember what the line x equals 2 looks like. X equals 2, anything that's x equals is going to be a vertical line. So x equals 2 is going to be right here. There's 3, here's x equals 2. That's not going to reflect on itself right there. That's never going to work. X equals 5. X equals 5 is over here. That's going to flip this all the way over here, so that's not going to be working either. We want a line that's going to cut it right down the middle so one side flips on the other part. The line y equals 5. Now y equals is a horizontal line. So y equals 5 would be this line right here. You can see that's 2 away from the height and 2 away from the bottom there. From the top it's 2 away, from the bottom it's 2 away. They're going to flip and land on one another. That's perfect. H is what we want. Now, to double check, we haven't made a mistake. Y equals x, that's this line right here through the origin, going a diagonal line, y equals x. For every x value, if x is 1, y is 1. If x is 2, y is 2. That's that line. That guy's going to land over here. So that's not going to work. That's out of the question too. So our answer will be H. Y, the horizontal line, equals 5. Y equals 5 is our answer to problem 44.